freeintromusic.com layout track.
This is an easy recipe to make classical Indian chicken masala curry at home. These are the ingredients needed. Keep them ready. Take chicken 1 kg and marinate it for half an hour using half teaspoon red chili powder, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon chicken 65 masala and half a teaspoon of salt. Take 2 tomatoes and 2 red chilies in a mixer. Grind it to a fine paste and set it aside. Now take some peppercorn and some cumin seeds. Grind them together in a mixer and keep it in a cup separately. Take 2 medium-sized onions and have them finely chopped before we go into the next step. Take a cooking pot, add some cooking oil, add mustard seeds and the peppercorn and cumin seeds mix. Let it get heated in low flame while the mustard seeds crackle. Now add some curry leaves and let them get heated till they become fine brown. Add the onions. Let them get cooked in the oil till they become transparent. Now we add the masala, hing powder half teaspoon, turmeric powder half teaspoon, coriander powder 2 tablespoons, and garam masala 2 tablespoons. Mix them well with the onion till they are cooked. Now add the tomato and red chili paste. One whole tomato and 1 green chili can also be added. Mix well with the onion till it becomes a fine paste. Keep cooking in low flame. Add 1 teaspoon salt. Add 2 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste. Once it is mixed and cooked well, add 2 cups of water and add the marinated chicken. Bring the water to a boil and close the lid for 5 minutes. Continue cooking in high flame for 5 more minutes till the water evaporates partially and the gravy thickens. Garnish with coriander leaves and serve delicious chicken masala curry.